Hello guys, welcome back to the Brutal Investor channel. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day today. In this episode, we're going to talk about a low market cap gem token that has an extremely high position of being listed on Binance. In fact, I think it has a guaranteed opportunity to be listed on Binance. And this token is called the Block Ape Scissors token or the BAS token, right? Again, as always, guys, I highly recommend you guys to do your own research on any other project we got on our channel. And for this project, I recommend you guys to go to the website blockapescissors.com in order to learn more about this project, right? And if you watch till the end of this video, I'll tell you how I am so confident that this project will get a guaranteed Binance listing. And by using this technique, you can also predict tokens that will eventually get a Binance listing pretty soon and get ahead of the curve by investing in them at the lowest price possible before they get a Binance listing, right? So watch till the video end of the video to figure out that technique. So before we talk about that, I want to talk to you guys about Get.io. So Get.io, if you guys don't already know, is one of the major centralized exchanges. It's known for listing low market cap gem tokens way before they get listed on other major centralized exchanges such as Binance or Coinbase. What this means is if you have a Get.io account and if you invest in these low market cap gem tokens, you stand a chance to make 10, 20, 50, or even 100x gains on these cryptos, right? And if you don't already have a Get.io account, I highly recommend you guys to use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account today. And by doing so, you get the following benefits. You can basically go to the website and access several information, including buying and selling cryptocurrencies, trading cryptocurrencies on their platform with multiple trading pairs, as well as looking at price information of several cryptocurrencies that they have on their platform, right? So you can do all of these on Get.io, and you can also basically earn a passive income using your tokens while you wait for it to moon by either depositing it in a staking contract through Get.io, or by lending it out, or by providing liquidity to it, or by even using it for dual investments, or by using several other strategies to make money by using the earn functionality of their platform, right? If you're a person who wants to buy, sell, and trade NFTs, they also have you covered because they have a dedicated NFT trading platform that allows you to not only buy, sell, and trade NFTs, but also do that for multiple projects that are vetted by their team. And these are high quality NFT projects that you can only find from Get.io, right? If you're a person who wants to buy low market cap tokens at the lowest price possible, then you can participate in the IEO platform through their startup, where you can buy these tokens at the lowest price possible in an initial exchange offering, even before it gets listed on Get.io, right? So as you can see, you have multiple different ways of making money with Get.io. So if you don't already have a Get.io account, I highly recommend you guys to use the link in the description to set up a Get.io account today. And by doing so, not only will you get the following benefits that we discussed right now, but also you'll get a 30% trading fee rebate on any trades that you make on their platform, right? And by doing so, you're also supporting the Brutal Investor channel, for which I thank you in advance. So going back to the page for this token. For the purpose of this video, I'm going to rely on the information presented on the website itself, as well as the information presented on the coin market cap page for this token. But this is only going to be a peripheral analysis, which means you need to do your own in-depth research before you put your hard-earned money on this token, right? So what is Block Ape Scissors? Block Ape Scissors aims to create a most advanced and innovative player-owned economy in Web3. So they're basically a play-to-earn kind of a platform that wants to create a most advanced as well as innovative player-owned economy in the Web3 space, right? That's their main goal. By leveraging its in-house game developers alongside talented smart contract developers, the team also aims to be the core Web3 infrastructure provider for blockchain gaming industry. So clearly they want to provide a gaming service through their highly talented and skilled in-house game developers that they have, who are talented smart contract developers as well. And the team wants to basically be a core in the Web3 infrastructure space for providing high-tech blockchain games in the gaming industry, right? So that's their main focus. The BAS, which is the token of their platform, NFT ecosystem, has been designed to provide a fun, sustainable, and diverse gameverse for players of all spend levels, with a unique approach to how play to earn can thrive in the future of Web3. So they have a token and they also have an NFT ecosystem as well, on their platform that is used to basically provide a fun, sustainable, and diverse gameplay experience at multiple levels to provide a unique approach for players to have a play to earn platform that can thrive in the Web3 ecosystem, right? And that's pretty much the quick overview of this platform that we have from Block Ape Scissors on CoinMarketCap's page. So let's go to the website itself, which is blockapescissors.com. And right off the bat, you can clearly see that they have a pretty cool, colorful website. The most innovative player-owned economy, which is what they're claiming themselves to be. They're built on the Binance Smart Chain, which is currently known as the BNB chain, and they're incorporating gaming and NFTs together into exciting, diverse, and rewarding opportunities. So that's their main focus, as we just saw. So for gamesters who want a game on their platform, you can click the gamesters option here. For people who want to develop, you can click the BAS game, right? This option here. And this is a platform that is incubated by Binance. So clearly, as I mentioned earlier, this is a platform that will get a guaranteed Binance listing because it has been incubated by Binance. So Binance clearly has a vested investment on this platform, right? So if you scroll further below, you can watch the trailer of this game, which I highly recommend you guys to watch through because it is a very high quality game. It's quite impressive. So please watch this as a part of your do your own research project. They are also applying for a patent, and that's pending right now, right? So as you can see here, if you scroll further below, our partners and integration. So they're partnered with several high quality platforms and projects such as IBM, Chainlink, Onyx Gaming, as well as other platforms and games as well. Enter our ecosystem. So this is their ecosystem. So clearly it's an ape themed game. Again, apes are popular, starting from Bored Ape Yacht Club, and now we have a lot of games and NFT platforms and projects that are themed after apes. So this game is also based on apes, right? So you can clearly see the high quality image of one of the game image here. Player-owned economy. So what do you mean by player-owned economy? An innovative player-owned economy catering to all spend levels, incorporating augmented NFT avatars, items, and power-ups centered around the economic model based on player growth and retention within a constantly evolving meta of competitive PvP games. So clearly what they're saying is that they want players to be players' voice to be heard. So that's one of the reasons why they have an augmented NFT avatar, items, and power-ups. These are all things that I believe their players requested, and they've gotten it delivered to them. And they're creating an economy that enables players' growth and retention, as well as constantly evolves with the space itself, right? So that's the main focus, which is a good focus in my personal opinion. You can learn more about that by clicking on the Learn More button here. And if you scroll further below, this is their kind of token. So they have an NFT launchpad as well built into their platform, a unique offering to the Web2 and Web3 world. Block Ape Scissors will operate an NFT launchpad to incubate and select excellent projects for its community. So if you're trying to buy some good quality projects, you can go through their launchpad because they have a launchpad which they thoroughly vet the projects on, and you can actually make a lot of money if you get into some of these projects very early on, right? So you can click on the launchpad button to access the launchpad, or if you can learn more by clicking on the Learn More button. We scroll further below. These are some of the in-game items. They are planning to launch their own metaverse as well. So BAS will encapsulate a host of different experiences, creating game utility for different third-party NFTs by a process of studying their communities, histories, and project in order to develop collaborative player versus player to earn type adventures for their holders to play and win NFTs in. So clearly they're trying to incubate projects that also focus on gaming, and they try to provide the high quality experience when it comes to game players and participants. And from the game standpoint, they try to vet games as highly as possible so that they can raise funds through the BAS platform, right? So you can click on Learn More button to learn more about their metaverse as well, right? So games Block Ape Scissors. So it's a simple, intuitive, as well as fun game. Enter Block Ape Scissors, a simple rock, paper, scissors game that allows apes to battle within a competitive arena and climb the leaderboards for ultimate fame. So the main theme of the game is very simple. It's just a rock, paper, scissors kind of theme, but it's with the high graphics, and you can basically compete with different players and climb the leaderboard for the Hall of the Fame, right? Earn our in-game tokens, bananas, available while playing Genesis mode in the BAS game proof of concept. So you can earn a token called bananas, which is a different token compared to the BAS tokens. And this game is provided while playing the Genesis mode, when you're playing the proof of concept game, right? But I think currently the game is fully live and you don't really have an option to win bananas. I think after a point, bananas would be exchanged for the BAS token, which is the native token of interest of this video, right? So you can click play game or instructions to learn more about the instructions of the game itself. See, this is kind of like the user interface of the game. You'll be having rock, paper, scissors with this ape, and you can basically participate with multiple other players and be a part of the Hall of the Fame as well, right? So some of the concepts that they're trying to integrate with their game are NFT integration, win multiple rewards, as well as leaderboards. So obviously we've discussed about that a few seconds back. So check our Blockpedia, learn more about Block Ape Scissors by clicking on the learn button here. And so Gamesters NFTs, be yourself, be an ape. So they're trying to provide more value to their users. So our premium membership NFT line consists of 10,000 Chainlink VRF randomly generated game stripes. Holders of the game stripes will have the following privileges. So game stripes are some of their NFT collections with 10,000 Chainlink VRFs that are randomly generated. So clearly they are 10,000 NFTs in their first NFT project called Gamester Apes. And for people who hold those NFTs, you get the following benefits. Basically, this includes access to the beta rewards program, either play yourself or champion someone else to test new game releases and receive BAS tokens for your feedback. So you'll be able to get exclusive access to, game launch even before it actually launches, and you'll be able to comment on the gameplay, and for your feedback you'll be rewarded BAS tokens, and you'll also get access to game NFT Genesis mint events, access to a future games to adventure mode, privileged minting rights in game, which is pretty good, special player icons in the game itself, as well as NFT launchpad discounts. So you get discounts for NFT launchpads as well for people who hold the Genesis NFT, right? So it's pretty cool if you ask me. They're trying to reward their community by providing them with all these benefits, especially for people who hold the Genesis NFT that they launched, right? By leveraging on-chain metadata, the Gamester NFT line represents an NFT 2.0 evolution of normal NFTs, allowing for all kinds of utility, leveraging their traits and rarity. So clearly, you can use these NFTs to benefit a lot. You can get the NFTs. If you're interested, you can obviously buy the NFTs yourself by clicking on the Get NFTs button here. If you want to access the DApp, you can do that as well. So these are all the Genesis NFTs that you may need to own in order to be part of the further airdrops and benefits, right? So you can see these are high quality ape NFTs, which are very unique and different. You can use them as PFP as well, right? So ape roadmap, you can go through the roadmap yourself. Currently, they are actually meeting the roadmap requirements pretty cleanly, and they have a roadmap information all the way till 2022 and beyond. You can go through that yourself on the website. So if you scroll below, this is their team, right? So clearly, they have a kind of like a profile picture that resembles CryptoPunks, kind of like a modified version of CryptoPunks, which is very interesting. But these are real individuals who you can basically search on Twitter or LinkedIn or other social media platform and get more information from them, right? So Dan Fong is the CTO and co-founder. Matthew Hutchkins is the CEO and co-founder as well. You can access their LinkedIn directly, which is pretty cool that they've doxed themselves. You can also find other team members here along with their LinkedIn profile as well, right? So they're clearly a legit team, even though many of them don't have profile pictures. You can clearly access their LinkedIn profile directly, right? If you scroll further below, we are social, so join our community. You can join the social media community. They have a whole list of social media platforms as well as other information as well, right? If you go to the top right corner, you can learn more about this platform by clicking on the home page, ecosystem, the game, roadmap, their team, as well as community, as well as access their app by clicking on the web app itself, right? So a very high quality website with a lot of information. I think the project itself is a very high quality project. Therefore, the Binance listing is definitely going to make this token pump like crazy, right? So going back to the coin market cap page for this token, this token is currently ranked 5,510th by market cap on coin market cap, and it's currently trading at 8.6 cents at the time of making this video. So clearly this is a very cheap token from sticker price standpoint, and it's also a very low ranking token, which means it has a huge potential to pump like crazy in the future. And you can already see the token is already pumping like about 3.62% just in the past 24 hours. So clearly this token is getting noticed, even though it has a 3.6% increase in past 24 hours. The token still has an extremely low market cap. But before we get to that, you can clearly see that they have a BNB smart contract for the BEP20 version of this token on CoinMarketCap page here. And if you look at the tags, you can clearly see that they are collectibles and NFTs, and they are a Binance Labs portfolio. So this is the reason why I strongly believe that this token is going to get a Binance listing pretty soon, because not only is this a BNB exclusive game, it has a high quality, it has strong fundamentals. They're a very good quality NFT Metaverse kind of like game project. So they have a lot of things going on for it, as well as the fact that they are exclusively only available on the BNB chain, but they're also invested by the Binance Labs, which is the venture capital arm of Binance, which is the most popular exchange in this world. So this is definitely one of the reasons why I feel like there's a guaranteed Binance listing that's going to happen for this token, right? It's also a Metaverse project, so clearly all Metaverse projects have a high chance of getting listed on major exchanges in the future. So there's a lot of like signals that indicate that this token will get a guaranteed listing, right? So if you see the market cap, it's only $4.2 million in market cap. So that's quite low if you ask me. And if you see there's a warning sign next to the market cap that indicates that this market cap cannot be trusted. So at any given point of time, there could be less than 4.2 or more than $4.2 million in market cap. So we don't know. Since the token is kind of pumping and we don't really have an exact market cap increase number because it only says 0.00%, I would probably guess that the market cap, the actual market cap, is actually slightly higher than this market cap. But I think it's only slightly higher, so you can't, expect this market cap to be above $5 million at any given point of time. Because if you see the volume is clearly reflecting that there's only about $2,500 worth of trading volume in the past 24 hours. So clearly, this token doesn't have a lot of volume. So I think the market cap is clearly less than $5 million in market cap, which makes this token as a low market cap gem token in my personal books. Again, I think this token is going to pump like crazy because of its extremely low market cap. And that's going to be a really good thing for people who get in early, right? And by early, this is definitely the best time to get it early, but I can tell you that you can get it at a slightly better price than this price if you hold on a little bit longer, right? So we'll go through that in a few seconds, but if you see the trading volume, as we discussed, it's only $2,900 at any given point of time. And it seems like the trading volume is actually increasing. It's been up 18.06% in the past 24 hours. So clearly, people are buying this token, right? So a lot of people are buying this token, even though the trading volume is low. So expect this project to kind of like go close to $5 million in market cap sometime soon, right? Even after that, I think this token will still kind of like move sideways. I don't think this token will dump or crash significantly anytime soon, right? So if you scroll further below, the max supply, which is one of the best things about this project, not only does it have a strong fundamental, it also is a Binance Labs portfolio. It's also the BNB chain. It also has an extremely low market cap. And on top of that, the max supply, this is a fixed supply token, okay, first of all, right? The max supply is only 100 million tokens. So imagine seeing a token that has 100 million token market cap, that too in this day and age where we get tokens that have 1 billion tokens as max supply or 5 billion tokens as max supply or even 10 or 50 billion tokens as max supply. In this day and age, we are seeing a project that has 100 million tokens, which is kind of like the sweet spot, which is something that I personally really like. And also the circulating supply is quite low despite the low max supply as well. And the circulating supply is only 49.3 million tokens, right? Again, it's quite low, but it's not as low as 5% or 10% of the max supply. Again, this number should be taken with a grain of salt because it's a self-reported market circulating supply with a warning sign, right? So let's say this token has maybe 48 or $47 million, 47 million tokens in circulating supply, right? Even that is close to 50% of the max supply. So clearly, this project is doing really well when it comes to tokenomics. There's going to be less factors that will contribute to the price slumping of this token, because it seems like up to 50% of the tokens are already in circulation, right? And the market cap is extremely low, so there's going to be a lot of hype that will be built around this project the moment Binance lists this token, and that will make this token shoot to the moon, right? Literally to the moon. And I think Binance is not going to be listing this token anytime soon, because they're literally they haven't listed any token in the recent times, and they're literally waiting for the market to start going back to normal. Currently, we are in a bear market because of all the external macroeconomic factors when it comes to inflation as well as interest rate hikes, and all those good stuff are affecting the crypto, stock, and NFT markets heavily. So Binance is waiting for the market conditions to change before they can list a particular project, right? And when they list projects, they're going to be focusing on projects that they've invested in through their Binance Labs in order to get some profit out of it, which is why this project will probably be one of the projects that they list towards the next bull market. And when that happens, expect this token to pump like crazy, right? So the other factor that makes this token, more likely to pump is obviously its tokenomics and its circulating supply being close to 50% of its max supply, which is pretty good, right? So there's a lot of good things about this project already that is making me really happy. If you scroll further below, you can see that the token is also close to its all-time low, which is also another reason to buy this token, because you can clearly see from the past that this token has done really well in the past, right? So the token was initially worth 20 cents per token as of 1st of September 2021, almost a year ago, and then it went to a lower point of about 7 to 8 cents per token, which was close to its all-time low. And this was during the mid of October last year. And then from then onwards, it started shooting up like crazy. From nowhere, it basically went to $1.78 per token, and it kind of reached this price point literally a matter of few weeks, reaching its all-time highs of $1.67 during like mid of November, right? And then it started shooting downwards in the opposite direction, and dumping to a price of about 21 to 20 cents per token, and then it kind of went back up all of a sudden as a pump and dump, reaching as high as 81 cents and then crashing back down. And then since then, the token has moved in the downward direction, right? So currently the token is close to its all-time low, which is the best time to buy this token if you believe in this project. You can make some really good short-term gains, and you can make some long-term gains. Imagine buying this token at 8 cents and then selling it at $1.70 or $2 per token, right? You will be making like 200x easily, right? So clearly this token has a huge potential to make at least a 200 to 300x in the next bull market. So don't miss this opportunity, right? So for people who want to know how much money you should invest in this token, again, this is a really guaranteed Binance listing. So I already mentioned this to you multiple times in the beginning of the video. So this is a project that you should definitely be willing to put a decent amount of money into. So I'm going to give 3 price scenarios, and you can be the judge on how much money you want to put into this token. If you manage to put the degen amount that I'm suggesting you to buy this token right now, again, first of all, none of these are considered as financial advice. Please make sure that you do your own research before you put even a single dollar into this token. The second thing is that the degen suggestion is only for individuals who can take the highest risk possible. It's not meant for everyone, right? So the lowest amount that I personally can comfortably put into this token is $1,000, right? Because as I said, I know that this is a guaranteed Binance listing. So putting $1,000 into this token is a no-brainer for me. But again, you don't really need to put any money that's $1,000. You can put probably less than $100, maybe even $10, $20, $50, whichever you're comfortable with, right? This token, if you buy $1,000 worth of it, you will probably get 11,572 tokens that I'm making this video. This is close to its all-time low, by the way. All-time low, by the way, which means you will basically be buying a lot of tokens, right? With $1,000, you can buy like close to 11,500 tokens, which is pretty incredible. And if this does a minimum of 100x, right? Again, it has done much, much better than that last bull rally, right? But if it does a minimum of 100x, you can make, again, easily like 100,000 or more, easily, right? Like it's easily possible from this token, right? $1,000 investment will give you $100,000. I know I may be sounding ridiculous to you right now, but if you can easily see from the charts for people who bought this token at if in the past, you can clearly see the proof here. If you bought at 8 cents as of 21st of October last year, and you sold it for $1.67 or $1.75 or 78, which was the peak this token has had till now, which was clearly an easy 100x. You more than 100x, slightly more than 100x. You would have seen people make a lot of money at this all-time highs, right? So this token has proven to made 100x in the past. So the next bull rally is going to be much more stronger than this bull rally. So you can make 100x easily with this token, right? But I can predict that this token is going to go above the 200 to 300x easily, which is easily possible with this kind of token, right? So this is for the safest bet. Okay, if you're trying to put the safest and the lowest money onto this token, $1,000 easily. I can personally put $1,000 into this token easily by closing my eyes. If you're trying to put a little bit more, if you're trying to play a little bit more riskier, then $5,000 would be the risky play. I know usually I cover $5,000 as a degen play, but in this case, I think $5,000 is just a risky play, not a degen play. You will get 57,888 tokens at the time of making this video. And again, I have to stress the fact that this is close to its all-time low, as you can see from the charts, right? So if this token does 100x, you can easily make $500,000 with this token, right? So if you put in $5,000, you make $500,000 when it does 100x. Easily possible. Again, I'm not trying to provide you with extreme hopium. I'm just basically using the lowest X that this token can do in the next bull rally, and that is 100x, right? I personally believe that it can do more than 300x, but it's up to you guys to come to your own conclusion. If you put in $5,000, you can make $500,000 in gains, right? Easily, right? Now is the degen play. Let's take a look at putting in $10,000. Okay, $10,000 is the extreme degen play. Again, I know a lot of people don't just have $10,000 lying around. It's just three price scenarios that you can potentially look into. If you put in $10,000 into this token, you will get 115,766 tokens easily, right? This project can do a minimum of 100x in the next bull rally. I believe it will go more than that. But if it does 100x, you will be making $1 million. Okay, your $10,000 will give you $1 million, which again, I don't even have to do the math. You can easily become a millionaire with this token alone, easily, if it does 100x, right? And the funny thing is, this token has a guaranteed Binance listing opportunity that's coming in. And I'm going to show you the markets where you can buy this token from. You'll be easily amazed by how much potential this project has, right? So these are all the three price scenarios. Again, none of this is financial advice. You can put in as low as $10 or even less than that. It's up to you. But I'm just stating for myself, I will easily be willing to put $10,000 if I have it in this token, because I feel like the return of investment is going to be huge, right? So if you go to the markets, okay, for a project that has such strong fundamentals, low market cap, extremely good tokenomics, Binance Labs listing coming up pretty soon, right? And the project has a metaverse, NFT and gaming kind of like theme. So all metaverse projects are going to do really well. Again, I'm not going to say all metaverse projects. There are going to be some crappy metaverse projects that are scams. So I'm not talking about them. I'm talking about high quality metaverse projects, right? It's a publicly doxed team. They are funded by Binance Labs. They are a metaverse project that will potentially compete with other metaverse projects and do very well. So this token is only listed on one exchange, and that too, it's a decentralized exchange, and it's only available on the PancakeSwap decentralized exchange, right? So that's the mind-blowing part about this token. This token is not even available on any centralized exchanges. Not even a single centralized exchange has listed this token. So 100x is an understatement for this token, because even if Gay.io or MEXC or Bybit lists this token will go from 8 cents to 80 cents per token, right? It's easily possible because even those exchanges have such a high push these days, you can make this token go to 80 cents by just listing onto these exchanges, right? Imagine a Coinbase and a Binance listing. What will they do to this token, right? Again, I'm not really sure if Coinbase will list this token, but Binance definitely guaranteed, as I mentioned already. So for a project like this one, you can only buy it from PancakeSwap, which also tells you that not a lot of people are talking about this project. So I'm pretty sure that this is the first channel that you're hearing about this project. So that deserves me a like, a subscribe button, a subscriber, as well as a bell icon, click, right? So I need you to do all these three for me right now. If you're watching this video till the end of this video, please do this right now, because you're probably getting this kind of alpha only from my channel, right? So for that, I would appreciate a like, subscribe, as well as a bell icon, right? Because I'm going to make a lot of alpha videos like this in the future. So if you want to get immediate notification, because timing is everything on crypto, right? Timing is everything. If you need to make money, timing is everything, right? So if you want to make some really, really, really good gains, subscribe to this channel, right? So as you can see, PancakeSwap is the only place you can buy this token from, and you can only buy it with BNB, wrap BNB, right? And you can only buy it, at an 8-cent price point. You can't do any arbitrage trading as of now. But again, more exchange listings are coming pretty soon. There'll be a Gated.io, Huobi Global, and other exchange listings, including Binance listing, coming pretty soon, right? So be very careful. We are literally talking about this token at the ground level, right? So what's my final verdict on this token, guys? I think I already made my verdict very clear. This is a beast of a token, right? This token will make you 100x gains easily. You don't even have to worry about, any other token. This is a single biggest token that you could make you a lot of money. That doesn't mean that you have to go ahead, get a loan or something, and then put $5,000 or $10,000 on this token. That's not what I'm saying, right? You can put as little as $100 and you'll be able to see extremely good gains from this token, right? But obviously, you need to be patient. A Binance listing will take a little longer due to the current market conditions. They're a very smart business. They're not trying to list tokens at this time point because they know that they're not going to get a lot of trading volume. So when the market reverses, which it will during the next bull rally, that's when you will see Binance listing this token, right? That's when you will see a lot of people panic buying this token, and this token will easily cross 100, 200, 300x easily, right? So that's the kind of potential token that I'm bringing to your table. So please don't miss this opportunity, right? For the short term, I can easily see this token reaching as high as 80 cents or 90 cents due to market recovery. But it will go up and down, make some short-term gains here and there. You can definitely make some short-term gains every time a new centralized exchange lists this token. But those are all just opportunities for you to make some quick gains, right? If you want to make the maximum gains, stick on to this token at least in the next bull rally, and then dump it at the highest price possible, and then exit from it, and then you'll become easily a very wealthy person easily, right? So now for the most important section, how did I figure out that this token is going to get a Binance listing, or how did I know that this token was invested by Binance Labs, right? So for that, if you need to do that, go to CoinMarketCap. Again, I use the same CoinMarketCap platform. If you go to the top right corner and search for cryptocurrencies, under this you'll find categories, right? Click on categories and search for Binance Labs portfolio. So in the left, you'll get different categories. You can find Coinbase portfolios, Coinbase Ventures portfolios. You can find Binance Labs portfolios. You can find Huobi Global portfolios. You can find so many categories for different tokens, right? So they have a category called Binance Labs, and that's the category that you need to go to. And when you go to this, when you go to Binance Labs portfolio tokens, this is where it will take you to. If you see here, they will list you all the tokens along with the market cap, volume, price information, as well as the 7-day chart for all the tokens that are in the part of the Binance Labs portfolio, right? If you click on market cap, you can basically sort it from largest to smallest, smallest to largest, and so on and so forth. You can go through each and every token. I went through all of these tokens at some point in this channel. I personally covered pretty much all of these projects in the past based on their trading volume, market cap, and so on and so forth. When I kept going deeper and deeper, I found, there you go, block ape scissors, right? So I didn't just choose this because I want to choose it. I just chose it because it has good market cap values. It has strong fundamentals. It's a Binance Labs portfolio, obviously. It's currently, you can clearly see in the past 7 days, it's been going down. So that took my curiosity and to see the charts, and I found that this is pretty much the lowest price point. This token is available at this price point, so you can pretty much buy this token at this price point. Or if you wait a little longer, you'll probably get it at 6 cents per token, or maybe 6 to 7 cents per token in that range, which would make you buy this token at the lowest possible price. And once it shoots up, you'll make the highest possible gain, right? So these are some of the research that I did to bring this token to your attention. So I know this is a really huge alpha that you probably won't be getting from any other platform on YouTube. So please subscribe, like, and ping the notification icon if you need to get more and more alpha like this. I use this method as one of my many methods to check out tokens before other people could even start talking about these tokens, right? So if you like this kind of content, please support this channel. And if you also want to support me in another way, you can actually open a Get account and using my link in the description and start trading in that. There's going to be lots of low market cap gem tokens that you can find from Get.io as well. So stay tuned for those kind of videos, and you can also, in the meantime, use the referral link to set up a Get.io account so that you get 30% trading fee rebate as well, right? So again, remember guys, you guys are not regular investors, you guys are brutal investors, so stay brutal. Thank you very much for watching my video, guys. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. See you in my next video. Bye.